Study, Creating Possibilities Through Research Amidst the Pandemic, DLSU-D Transformative Actions. I am Johnny Ching, Director of the University Research Office of the Salle University-Dasmariñas. Together with me are Geraldine Zamora, Jaime Jesus Agustin, and Jocelyn Luyon. The challenges brought about by the threat of COVID-19 were transformed into opportunities by the Salle University-Dasmariñas through the University Research Office or URO. The research performance of the DLSU-D in terms of number of research projects and number of faculty members involved in different research activities increased significantly during the times when different quarantine levels were implemented all throughout the country. This covers 2 school years from 2020-2021 up to 2021-2022. Through the collective efforts of URO under the Office of the Assistant Vice Chancellor for Research, more collaborative and interdisciplinary, both internally and externally research projects, more of which are related to sustainability, were implemented and completed involving more than 100 faculty researchers. These research findings, such as the baseline study and market analysis funded by the Salvation Army, will be translated into actions, creating sustainable community development programs in coordination with the Lasallian Community Development Center, or LCDC. This will involve faculty members and students as interns during their practicum in their respective academic programs. Likewise, in terms of research utilization and publication, research trainings, workshops, and conferences, URO was able to sponsor related activities such as series of webinars for the faculty and students and the second International Conference on Research Inclusivity and Sustainability or INCREASE, participated in by more than 1,000 participants from different parts of the world, especially from Asia and Africa. It only shows that problems can be converted into opportunities for as long as we create possibilities. Thank you.